Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Big Egg Grill is probably one of the most versatile and popular grilling solutions available today, offering a unique combination of ceramic insulation, precise temperature control, and multifunctional capabilities that elevate your outdoor cooking experience to an entirely new level, whether you're searing steaks, slow smoking ribs, or baking pizzas. Number 5. Char-Griller AKORN Kamado Charcoal Grill and Smoker. Experience the versatility of this Kamado-style grill. It's perfect for achieving both high-heat searing and low and slow smoking. With a generous 447 square inches of cooking space, you can easily prepare meals for everyone. It's large enough to cook up to 27 burgers at once. This grill boasts a triple-walled steel-insulated design for optimal heat retention. Enjoy features like cast iron grates, a locking lid, and convenient caster wheels. Easily manage your cooking temperatures with the indexed adjustable dual dampers and built-in thermometer. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable ash pan. It includes a warming rack, storage shelf, and foldable side workstations with tool hooks. This grill is designed to make your cooking experience as enjoyable as possible. Built with durability in mind, this grill is ready to be the centerpiece of your outdoor cooking adventures. It's designed for both performance and longevity. What we like. If you're looking for versatility in your grilling, this model offers both high-heat searing and low and slow smoking capabilities. Its generous cooking space means you can feed a crowd. Consider this if you enjoy experimenting with different cooking styles and need ample room for your culinary creations. What people say. The Big Egg Grill is a versatile cooking machine, capable of grilling, smoking, and baking. Its ceramic construction provides excellent heat retention and even cooking temperatures. The adjustable vents allow for precise temperature control, making it easy to achieve desired results. Number 4. Weber Summit Kamado E6 Charcoal Grill. Meet the Weber Summit Kamado E6, a premium charcoal grill designed for ultimate cooking control. Its innovative features make grilling and smoking a breeze. Experience precise temperature adjustments thanks to its dual-walled insulation. This allows for quick and accurate heat management, perfect for any recipe. Crafted with durable steel and a porcelain enameled finish, this grill is built for longevity. Enjoy reliable performance season after season. Need to crank up the heat? The rapid-fire lid damper quickly boosts airflow, allowing you to reach searing temperatures in no time. Cleanup is a snap with the one-touch cleaning system. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your perfectly grilled food. From low and slow smoking to high-heat searing, the adjustable grate offers incredible versatility. It's also ready for the gourmet barbecue system for even more culinary adventures. With an extra-large 24-inch cooking area, there's plenty of space to feed a crowd. Easily set up a 2-zone cooking fire for diverse grilling needs. What we like. For those who value precision and efficiency, this grill excels with its dual-walled insulation allowing for rapid temperature adjustments. The easy cleaning system saves you time after cooking. Choose this if you want to master temperature control for perfect results and appreciate a hassle-free cleanup. What people say. The Big Egg Grill is a versatile cooking machine that can grill, smoke, and bake. Its ceramic construction provides excellent heat retention and even cooking. The adjustable vents allow for precise temperature control, making it easy to achieve perfect results every time. Number 3. Modaura 2 PCS Rolling Grill Baskets. Looking for a great gift for the dad who loves to grill? This rotating basket makes cooking vegetables, seafood, and small items a breeze. It's durable, easy to use, and even dishwasher safe. Elevate your camping trips with this essential grilling basket. It makes campfire meals and BBQs easy, fun, and convenient. Perfect for all your outdoor adventures. No matter your grill, Traeger, Big Green Egg, or Weber, this rolling basket is designed to fit and work flawlessly. Enjoy effortless grilling every time. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, this rolling grill basket is built to last. It's a sturdy and reliable choice, perfect for the grill master who has everything. Experience innovative rotisserie cooking with this unique basket. It ensures your food cooks evenly every time, making it a must-have for any grilling enthusiast. This set comes complete with a fork, hook, and oil brush, making your grilling experience even better. Everything you need for perfect outdoor cooking. What we like. If you love grilling vegetables, seafood, or smaller items, this accessory is a game changer. Its 360-degree rotation ensures even cooking, and the durable stainless steel makes it a long-lasting addition to your grilling arsenal. This is perfect for campers or anyone who wants to elevate their grilling of smaller foods. What people say. The Big Egg Grill is a versatile cooking device that can be used for grilling, smoking, and baking. Its ceramic construction provides excellent heat retention and allows for precise temperature control, making it ideal for slow cooking and achieving perfect searing. The large cooking surface area accommodates multiple dishes simultaneously, perfect for gatherings. Number 2. Chefman XL Electric Griddle. Enjoy a generous 10 by 20 inch cooking area, perfect for preparing meals for a crowd or cooking multiple items at once. Easily adjust the temperature from 200 to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to simply warm food, fry breakfast, or sear meats to perfection. Cook healthier dishes thanks to the integrated drip tray that collects excess oil and grease. The non-stick surface also minimizes the need for added oils. Cleaning up is a breeze as the cooktop is fully immersible and dishwasher safe. Just remember to detach the temperature control first. Quickly expand your kitchen's cooking capacity, making it ideal for large family dinners or holiday gatherings. This product is UL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting use and comes with a 1-year assurance from Chefman. What we like. When you need a convenient way to cook large batches of breakfast or other dishes indoors, this electric griddle is ideal. Its extra-large cooking surface and precise temperature control make meal preparation simple and efficient. Opt for this if you frequently cook for a crowd or desire a versatile indoor cooking solution. What people say. The Big Egg Grill is a versatile cooking machine, capable of grilling, smoking, and baking. Its ceramic construction provides excellent heat retention and even cooking temperatures. The adjustable vents allow for precise temperature control, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced grillers. Number 1. Mini Lustrous Large Ceramic Grill Cover. This cover is designed to perfectly fit your large ceramic grill, including models with side tables. It offers a snug fit for optimal protection. Featuring new anti-rust metal eyelets, this cover can be securely fastened to the grill legs. This ensures it stays in place, even in strong winds. Moving and positioning the cover is a breeze thanks to the integrated handle. You can easily pull it over your grill without any hassle. Crafted from 600D Oxford fabric with a PU coating, it provides excellent protection. It's resistant to rain, snow, sunlight, dirt, and dust. The durable fabric is both waterproof and UV resistant, safeguarding your grill from the elements. Keep it protected year-round. This cover is wear-resistant and built to withstand harsh weather conditions. It ensures your grill remains protected and in great condition. What we like. To keep your valuable grill protected from the elements, this cover offers robust defense. Its durable, water-resistant fabric and wind-resistant design ensure your grill stays safe from rain, snow, and sun. If you're looking for reliable, long-term protection for your outdoor grill, this cover is an excellent choice. What people say. The Big Egg Grill is a versatile cooker that can be used for grilling, smoking, and baking. It maintains a consistent temperature, making it ideal for slow-cooking meats. The ceramic construction provides excellent heat retention and insulation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.